Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we have two words that might sound complicated, but don't worry, we'll break it down for you and explain their meaning. First, let's talk about obliterate. Obliterate. Now, this word may sound intense, and it is. It means to completely destroy or erase something, leaving no trace behind. It's like pressing the delete button on your computer, but in a more intense way. For example, the explosion obliterated the old bridge. It means the bridge was completely destroyed by the explosion, gone in a flash. Here is another sentence example. The tornado obliterated the entire town, leaving nothing but debris in its wake. See how it conveys a sense of total destruction? Boom, obliterated. Now, let's talk about our second word, umbrage. Umbrage. It means to feel offended or resentful towards something or someone. It's like feeling hurt or insulted by a comment or action. Imagine someone says something that hurts your feelings, and you feel upset or angry. You might say, "I took umbrage at their rude remark." For example, she took umbrage at his criticism and felt upset. It means she felt offended by his criticism and it made her upset. It's like feeling a cloud of negative emotions rolling in. Here is another sentence example. The artist took umbrage at the criticism of her latest painting. And there you have it, folks, the meaning of obliterate and umbrage. Two interesting words that can help you expand your vocabulary. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fun-filled episodes. Thanks for watching.